Hello everyone, welcome back to Twisted Between Garage. Today we got a Toro with a 5-horse Tecumseh on it. No start. Put my spark tester on here. We got spark. Pulled the oil plug and it's full of water. Just a little old Toro. Haven't checked the gear on it yet. No start. Old machine, leaking gas out of the carburetor. Gonna pull the carburetor and go through it and see if we can get this thing running. Customer job, they brought it in. Sorry about the movement, I'm moving you all around here. It's a pretty old tiller, so we're gonna see what we can get done with it, see if we can get it to fire, but we'll bring you back as soon as we pull the carburetor, show you how I do my carbs, and bring you back soon. Alright guys, got the carburetor off. We're getting this thing opened up here, and got my little tray here, and we're going to get this thing opened up. Carburetor's looking, ooh, she's nasty guys, real bad. Pin out like that. There's that. There's your float, and there's your seat. Pretty dirty. Looks like this is a good thing for the ultrasonic cleaner. I take my torch tip cleaners, and I manually clean them out. Make sure everything's open. But if you're putting it in an ultrasonic cleaner, you don't really have to do all that, but I do it just to get whatever gunk I can get out of them. Ooh, she's nasty. Clean out all your ports and everything, your jets. See what you got. But yeah, she's real dirty guys. So what we're gonna do, ooh, my goodness, we're gonna take this all out to the ultrasonic cleaner, get her cleaned up, put it back together, see if we can get this thing to fire. Drain the oil. The oil was full of water, guys. Someone's left this machine set outside. So we're going to get this in there and put it in the ultrasonic cleaner. See what that does for me. Got my little basket here that we picked up on Amazon for all the little pieces, jets and stuff. Right in the ultrasonic cleaner they go, just like that, and get her cleaned up. Bring you back after we get it out of the ultrasonic cleaner and we reassemble it. Alright guys, we got all of our bits and parts back out of the ultrasonic cleaner. We're going to put this thing all back together. What I like to do is I like to lubricate everything with WD-40 and all the ports and everything after running it, get all the water out of from the ultrasonic clean. Some people use brake clean, carb clean. Me, I just like to use WD-40 on them. Seems to work the best, I think, but that's my opinion. Everything's open. But that's the way I like to do it. I mean, people have many ways that they like to do things, and me, I think that works the best for me. But like I said, that's a matter of opinion. Get our little seat back in. And if you don't have an ultrasonic cleaner, I tell you what, they're amazing. Just amazing. Get all this back in here. Make sure your seat's sitting right down in there like that. Last but not least, put this little pin back through to hold your float. Carburetors used to be a pain, but I'll tell you, with the ultrasonic cleaner, and check to make sure that your needle seat is working up and down freely, not hanging up, looks good. And remember, if you use an ultrasonic cleaner, you don't want to put no rubber gaskets in it, because I don't believe you get them back on. Or if you're using a parts clean, don't get it on your O-rings, guys. It'll swell them, and then everything's no good for you. That's the way I like to do them. Works fairly decent for me. All back together. Just snug your bowl back on. Just like that. And by golly, looks like it's ready to go back on, guys. Simple. Everything works freely. Carburetor looks brand new coming out of our ultrasonic cleaner. Makes a world of difference. If you don't have one, invest in one. Good investment, and does a wonderful job. And hopefully, with this long as this thing is set, I'm not sure, but hopefully she'll fire right up once we reinstall this onto the Built Rototiller. So we're going to get it put back on. Real simple. It's just 2 bolts. Slip it on, bolt her up, fill her with some gas, get our lines on, then we're going to see if it'll fire. So let me get this back onto the machine and we'll bring you back. Alright guys, we got it all back together, and let's see if it'll run. And there you have it. It runs. Unbelievable. This thing was in bad shape, guys. But we got it going, and that's gonna be the end of this video. And thanks everybody for watching. But if you don't have an ultrasonic cleaner, get you one. They work great. Awesome job cleaning these things. But I still took my torch tip cleaners and I went through the carburetor to make sure that everything was good to go. Sprayed it down with WD-40 like I showed you to lubricate everything, and it works great. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and that's on the Troyville Tecumseh 5-horse. Really sounds good, doing a good job for me, and it's about to run out of gas. But alrighty, thanks for watching. See you all later.